The RFID wizard is basically going to do the RFID auto calibration. This is where the printer will detect what chip is being used in the RFID label, where the inlay is located, and the optimal read and write powers to use. It's just going to ask me again, am I using gap or mark sensing? I'm using black mark. That's done. It's going to ask me if I want to do the regular calibration, non-RFID. I'll trust that I've done that. Which antenna do I want to use? I will go with the internal. This is the RFID antenna in the printer to encode the tags. If you remember, the T6000e has two RFID encoding antennas. One is outside here and above the label path. That's very good for on-metal tags. And the other is inside the printer and below the label path, which is generally used with traditional RFID smart labels. I can alternate between the two, but today I'll be using the internal antenna. Oh, and it's telling me to make sure that I slide the antenna left or right or to the center to make sure that it lines up with the label's chip. I don't know if you can see this, but the chip in my label is in the center of the label. So I'm going to keep the encoding antenna in the center of the label path. Now we get to the all-important step, RFID calibrate. I'm going to press that button. It takes, these days, 1 to 2.5 minutes, something like that, depending on the label size. This is a 4x6 label, might take about 2 minutes. When I push enter, the RFID auto calibration process will begin. Okay, in the interest of time, we sped things up a little bit here, but now you can see that the RFID auto calibration process is done successfully, it's completed. I just press enter to exit, boom, and I'm back in the RFID wizard. Click the right arrow to continue on and finish the wizard.